Hi, I'm Dr. Mangesh Kamath. I'm a senior consultant medical oncologist, hemato-oncologist, and bone marrow transplant physician. Today's topic that I'm going to talk to you all about is chemotherapy. The chemotherapy seems to invoke a lot of fear in many people. Many patients and patients' relatives alike come to me quoting that chemotherapy is painful, chemotherapy causes a lot of issues. I will not take chemotherapy. I would rather die than take chemotherapy, or I will take alternative therapy but not chemotherapy, and so on and so forth. So I thought I will make this video and try and educate you about chemotherapy. Now, chemotherapy, the word itself does not mean anything else, but it means therapy or treatment with chemicals. So, in medicine, chemicals would be otherwise called as drugs, and drugs is what the common person calls as medicine. So, basically, we employ medicines to treat a patient with cancer and related disorders so that the patient can be either cured of the cancer or can be controlled by these medications. When chemotherapy is given with the intent to cure the cancer, it becomes extremely important that it is used in a wise way. So chemotherapy is like a weapon. If a weapon falls in wrong hands, obviously it can cause a lot of unfortunate events. But if it is used by skillful, experienced and knowledgeable hands, it definitely gives rise to the desirable effects. So we need to remember about this very importantly, that chemotherapy is not an evil. It is definitely a very important armamentarium in our fight to fight cancer. Chemotherapy, when used by skillful, knowledgeable and experienced hands, definitely does not cause many complications. Remember, a medical oncologist's role is to fight against cancer by using medicines as and when required. And if these medicines are not required, the medical oncologist will not prescribe them. They are required because there is a wealth of evidence, a lot of studies that have been conducted which have proven that these medicines that the medical oncologist recommends to you are required to fight against the cancer that you have. And the medical oncologist is also trained to make sure that either the complications can be prevented, or if complications do occur despite best efforts, they can be well managed by the medical oncologist. So do not fear chemotherapy, because not all chemotherapy causes side effects. That is number one. Please make sure that you discuss with your medical oncologist about the most common side effects that can occur with the treatment that has been planned for you. And the medical oncologist shall duly do the same and help you out in understanding what are the pros and cons of the medications that have been prescribed to you. Now, one of the major myths that I have seen patients telling me about is that chemotherapy causes irreversible damage to appearance and the body. It is certainly not true in most of the instances. The hair loss, some of the side effects such as a little bit of nausea, some gastrointestinal disturbances, the changes in your skin color, all of them come back to your pre-chemotherapy days after the chemotherapy is stopped. It usually takes 3 to 6 months for you to get back to your old self.